Hello everyone from Spain. Hola a todos desde España. My name is Olga Beltrán and I am a qualified Spanish teacher. I love my language and teaching it to others. I'm from Barcelona, but I live in the south of Spain, in the region of Andalusia, full of magic, history and beauty. The cradle of flamenco and some of the greatest universal artists such as Federico García Lorca, Velázquez, Falla, or Paco de Lucía. From here, I'll teach you to speak, write, and read Spanish perfectly well. We'll do it together, step by step from scratch, by gradually raising the level in an orderly and methodical way created by me, lesson by lesson. Even if your level isn't zero, reviewing the basics is essential to reinforce your knowledge or to improve it, perhaps to discover aspects you had overlooked. Would you like to join me on this journey to Spanish? Come on, let's go!